So this is how you start YouTube in 2020. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of those companies, but yeah. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mohammed Aliu. If you're new here and you don't know me, don't forget to subscribe, and if you really like the video, don't forget to hit that like button because it shows me like how much I work, or I don't know. But so the 5 things that I'm going to talk about are: firstly, starting your channel, equipment, content, editing, uploading and sharing. So I'm going to talk about each of them briefly, so if you want you can really like search about it, but this is me trying to explain to you how I started. But yeah, also at the end of this video I'm going to tell you guys a secret, so make sure you watch till the end of this video. A very important tip that's going to help you. So starting, this is actually the hardest part about starting YouTube. It's to start, because I feel like everyone has the initial force in them that they want to start, but they keep on saying I'm gonna start tomorrow instead of today. So if you're thinking about starting, just start. Don't even like spend more time about thinking about it, because the more time you think about it, that's when you don't do it. So just start. If you have the idea and the vision of how you want your channel to be, just start. Create a YouTube channel, sign up and start. So secondly, we're going to talk about equipment. For me, equipment means quality. So if you have good equipment, you have good quality. But also, like, if you're starting out new, don't forget you can always start with your phone. I actually started with my phone, iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah, I need a new phone. Also in equipment, don't forget you need your tripod, your light, and a book. I actually use a book to write down my ideas and script and stuff like that. So yeah, also you need a computer to edit. So I'm gonna make a list of cameras that are really good to start YouTube with. Firstly, I use the Canon M50, which is the one I'm shooting. I'm actually shooting in 4K this time. I don't know why, I just wanted to try it. You can also use the Canon GX7. It's really good camera. Most YouTubers actually use that camera to vlog. And another camera that is really good is the Sony A60. It's actually, my friend actually has one of those cameras and he used it in front of me. So I mean, it's cool. It has good quality. So yeah. Wasn't that cool? And optionally you can get a drone. I actually have 2 drones, but I don't know why I have 2 drones. Yeah, so as I was saying, like, it's optional. You can get a drone if you want. You can get like all the equipment you want, but as long as you create good content, that's all that matters. Alright, so now we're gonna talk about content. Content is very important because you can shoot, I mean literally you can shoot anything, but it shouldn't be boring like you just sitting down playing video games or you sleeping. I mean, I do shoot myself sleeping. Is that weird? Like, you should shoot things that are really interesting. Like, trust me, vlogs are boring. Like, no one wants to sit and watch your whole life. Like, yeah, it's boring. I do it, but I try to make it interesting for you guys. Try to shoot things that are really unique and different your way, and you can edit it in any way you can imagine. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about editing, because really you can't really like tell someone how to edit. They have to learn it themselves. Like, editing is like math. You have to go learn it. Like, you know, 1 + 1 = 2, cut this, cut that, paste. There are a few editing tools that you can use. I actually use Final Cut Pro and I have used iMovie, but I upgraded from iMovie to Final Cut Pro because of iMovie is a little bit limited, but Final Cut has more things that you can use to make your videos more interesting. I would advise you to get Final Cut Pro, but it's expensive, so start out with iMovie and then you can see where you were gonna go. But yeah, so I'm going to talk to you guys about uploading and sharing. Uploading your videos are actually really important because you shouldn't just shoot a video and then keep it there. I mean, I do that sometimes. There are some videos that I can't show on YouTube, but I mean, you get what I mean. Not those videos though, you nasty. So when you upload your video, it's actually really simple to upload a video. You can just go to YouTube Studio. Like, they changed from YouTube Classic to YouTube Studio. I feel I'm talking to YouTubers right now because I don't know if you guys know what YouTube Studio is or YouTube Classic is. So yeah, after uploading your video, don't forget you can share your content on all your social media so people can see and let your friends repost them or share them with other people. Like, You can copy the links and send it to your family members or whoever you can imagine that will want to watch your videos. I mean, it's really hard to find people to watch your videos, especially nowadays, but yeah, we move. And I'll also leave my email if you have any questions. Don't forget to comment down your favorite YouTuber down. If you have any favorite YouTuber, or if I'm your favorite YouTuber, you can comment down my name. I mean, I hope I am, but wake up guys, it's actually like 4:44 right now and I'm outside. I actually want this video to end like 5:44, so yeah. You guys, is consistency. Always post at least one video a week. I'm actually not consistent, but I'm gonna start posting every Tuesday and every Saturday. It's Mo. Peace.